What you see right here is an expert advisor that is called Simple Trend. It will just open some trades based on the current trend. And we are using the 1 minute chart right now. But if we stop our backtest, if I change the year to 2015 and start another test, nothing happens. And the reason is we don't have any historical data for 2015 year. So let's import the file. And now I see all the data. Let's close the History Center here. Start another test. And now it works. But if I change to 30 minutes here and start, nothing will happen. Now how can we change that? To do that, we open a new chart window. This is our new chart here. And now we drag an auto converter script on the chart. And you see that it is going to convert all the periods here. And if you now select the currency pair in the History Center that you can get up with F2, you will see that we have data for all the time frames here up to the daily chart. Now let's start another test with the 30 minutes chart, and this time it works. Let's pick the Australian dollar against the US dollar. It says waiting for update, but it doesn't trade. Let's change it to the 1 minute chart and start again. And on the minute chart, everything works fine without any change. So obviously we need to convert the data for the minute chart, for the 30-minute chart. And I prefer this auto converter script because it does every time frame automatically. But there is also a built-in period converter that was created by MetaQuotes. This one comes with your installation of MetaTrader 4. And if you click on the currency pair, right-click and select Chart Window and drag the period converter script on your chart, you can go to the Inputs tab and select a period multiplier factor here. Let's say we will do it for 30 minutes. Let's click OK. Wait a few seconds, change the time frame here to 30 minutes and click on Start. But still nothing happens. It says waiting for update. Now you need to close MetaTrader, and after you have restarted it, the 30-minute time frame works. Well, I really like the auto converter script better, so I would suggest to Google for it, or if you want you can send me a mail to get it. But now you know also how to use the built-in period converter to convert historical data you might have downloaded to any other time frame you might prefer to use in your backtesting.